This tutorial will guide you through the usage of the milk system of your Lattissima One machine. To start, fill the milk container up to one of the two levels indicators, cappuccino or latte macchiato. Close the milk container and connect the rapid cappuccino system to the machine. The machine heats up for approximately 15 seconds. Lift the lever completely and insert the capsule. Then close the lever. Place a cappuccino cup or a latte macchiato glass under the coffee outlet. Adjust the milk spout position by lifting it up to the right level. Press the milk button. The preparation starts after a few seconds. The milk will pour first and will stop when the milk container is empty. The coffee will pour next. When your preparation is finished, lift and close the lever to eject the capsule into the used capsule container. At the end of the preparation, the clean alert illuminates orange to indicate it is necessary to clean the rapid cappuccino system.
This tutorial will guide you to the very first use of your Creatista Uno machine. Rinse the water tank before filling it with fresh potable water. Place the water tank, insert the drip tray and the capsule container in position. For your safety, operate the machine only with drip tray and capsule container in position. Plug the machine into the power outlet. Turn the machine on by pressing the lungo, espresso, ristretto or steam button. The buttons will flash while the machine heats up for approximately 3 seconds. To set your water hardness, dip the water hardness test strip in and out the water tank and wait for 1 minute. Press and hold the temperature and milk froth buttons together for 5 seconds to set the level. Pressing temperature button increases the level, and pressing milk froth button decreases the level. Set your water hardness according to the results on the test strip. Place empty jug under the coffee outlet. Press ristretto, espresso or lungo button to begin cycle. To turn off the machine, press and hold the ristretto and steam buttons together until the machine is off. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Your Nespresso Creatista Uno machine is now ready to use.
Welcome to the Nespresso Assistance video on how to use your Lattissima Touch machine. Before the very first use of your Lattissima Touch machine, we suggest you follow some simple instructions. To start, remove the protective film and the water tank. rinse the water tank before filling with fresh, drinkable water up to maximum level. It is important to set the water hardness correctly in order to descale the machine at the correct frequency. This will ensure the proper functioning of your machine over its lifetime. After plugging into the main outlet, switch the machine on. For the first few seconds, the automatic power off and water hardness settings are indicated with a steady light. Place a container under the coffee outlet and press the Lungo button to rinse the machine. Repeat this operation 3 times. Thereafter, you will then need to disassemble the rapid cappuccino system for cleaning. Begin by removing the milk container lid and unplug the milk aspiration tube. Remove the milk froth regulator knob by turning it until in the remove position and then pull it upwards. Then remove the rapid cappuccino system connector by unlocking it from lock to unlock and pull it off. Finally, move the milk spout by gently pulling it off. Clean all components on the upper level of your dishwasher. In case a dishwasher is not available, soak all the components in warm water, approximately 40 degrees Celsius or 104 degrees Fahrenheit, together with soap detergent for at least 30 minutes. Rinse them with drinking water and then dry with a clean damp cloth. Your Lattissima Touch machine is now ready. You can begin to enjoy your machine and the Nespresso coffee quality cup after cup.